Aquarium 200 returns, now enhanced with both fishing mode and game mode. More than 200 of your chosen fish will swim about automatically. In fishing mode, try catching your favorite fish, or even whales and sea turtles. And with the built-in game mode, you can enjoy exciting battle-style gameplay too. This is a Windows program, available as a free download. Use the link in the YouTube description below to get it. This program was created in Python, and the source code is also available. It makes full use of Python's object-oriented features. Although there is only a single movement routine, more than 200 sea creatures are given their own unique animations and appearances. It is a classic example of the true strength of object-oriented programming. On the home screen, use the up and down arrow keys to move the cursor to the fish you'd like to display. Press the spacebar to confirm, and the fish will appear and start swimming freely. Press the spacebar again to make it disappear. The fish are listed in alphabetical order. When the cursor highlights a fish, its name appears on screen in a white tag, making it easy to see both the name and its shape. You can change how many fish appear using the Z, X, C, and V keys. Press one of these keys and confirm with the spacebar, and a set number of fish will be randomly chosen and displayed. The V key hides all fish and instead shows the manual. On the home screen, some letter keys have special functions. Pressing J, H, M, or N changes the size of the displayed fish. To return to the default size, press the up or down arrow key. This app also includes 3 memory channels. By using the S and L keys, you can save the current selection of fish numbers into a channel, and later call them back when needed. These memory channels are cleared when the app is closed. If you want to keep your saved selections even after closing the app, you can write them out with the F key and load them again with the O key. If you have a suitable number of fish displayed on the home screen, holding down the B key will switch to fishing mode. In fishing mode, use the arrow keys to move the hook near the mouth of the fish you want to catch. If your timing is right, you'll get a hit. While hooked, press the up arrow key rapidly 5 or more times to reel it in. If no fish are displayed on the home screen, for example, if you press V then space, holding down the B key will switch to battle game mode. Press the spacebar to start the game once you're in this mode. So, why not download Aquarium 200 to your Windows PC and try out this living fish encyclopedia for yourself?